Remember that you need to write down everything written in black. You do not need to write down what is in blue. Number 7 says, a scientist planted seeds in 4 sections of soil for an experiment. Not all of these seeds grew into plants. After 20 days, the scientist counted the number of plants in each of the 4 sections. The results are shown in the table. So we see our plant experiment. First you have the section number and then the size of each section and the number of plants listed for each of those sections. Use the data in the table to determine approximately how many plants grew per square foot. Explain or show how you determined your approximation. Then let y be the number of plants expected to grow in x square feet. Write an equation the scientist could use to model the relationship between y and x. Enter your approximation, explanation, and equation in the space provided. So first we need to do our approximation. When we find the number of plants per square foot, we are using unit rate. The keyword per indicates unit rate. To find unit rate, divide your values. Plants divided by square feet. So unit rate is equal to the plants per square foot, which means plants divided by square feet. So we plug in our first value, 13 over 25, to get 0.52 plants per square foot. We take 13 divided by 25 to get that answer. And then we continue this with the rest of our values. So we take next 38 divided by 100 and we get 0.38 plants per square foot for the second section. For the third section, we take 47 divided by 125 and we get 0.376 plants per square foot. And then in the last section, 62 divided by 150 gives us 0.413 repeating plants per square foot. Therefore, from looking at the unit rates, there are approximately 0.4 plants per square foot. Although all of the different unit rates are not exactly the same, since we're approximating, we can say that the unit rate is about 0.4 plants per square foot. So the second part is to come up with our equation. Equations involving proportional relationships are in the form y equals mx, where m is the constant of proportionality, a fancy term for unit rate. To write an equation for a proportional relationship, first identify the constant of proportionality, and like we said above, our constant of proportionality or unit rate is 0.4. Next, plug in the COP for m. So all that we did is replace 0.4, we replaced m with 0.4 in the equation to get y equals 0.4x. Once you write your equation, the only variables that you should see in the equation are x and y. And you're finished.